Get your cameras ready, please give a big round of applause as we welcome the Royal Air Force aerobatic team, the Red Arrow! Whoa! Then he went on to fly the Tucano to basic master training. Smoke comes on to the left. This is 9 Arrow. Red 8 and 9 big jumps roll back rapidly. Forward units they spotted by red 4 and 5. On the leader's right wing is the first of our 3 new pilots this year. He's red 2, pilot Mike Bowden. Coming in from the right, this is the safety general, ready to fly one of our inflation barrel rolls. This is the chevron roll. The jets now go upside down. The pilots will see you waving now, everybody. Big wave to the pilots as they go upside down at 2,500 feet. 400 miles an hour, with the jets only 6 feet away from each other. Now roll finishes off to the left. You see the jet without smoke. There's red 1. And on the left we have our odd-numbered pilots, and on the right the even-numbered pilots. The 75th anniversary of the Battle of Britain. And this shape is here to honour all of those who have secured our skies in the past and those who continue to do so in the present. The smoke comes on. Cameras ready in from the left. This is Spitfire. Well, back in the summer of 1940 during the... Ready. Smoke comes on in our trademark shape. This is Diamond. Kingdom and the Falkland Islands are secure. Over to the right we've got a slightly wider diamond for a new manoeuvre, which is the Whirlwind. Axis, the key to the Whirlwind is getting all 9 aircraft doing it at exactly bring left in Blackbird.
Oh yeah.
Hold in the bite. Now,
You can really see the shape of this aeroplane. And the straight line at the back are red 6, 7, 8 and 9. And their collective name is... We're going to roll out in dagger straight to the front. You get your cameras ready as we start the second half on the display. On comes the smoke. Ready for the detonator. So here go Enid. Keep your eyes on Dippo. Closing at 800 miles an hour now, ladies and gentlemen. Get cameras ready for the amazing Dippo. Preston, a former Hawk instructor and Tornado GR4 pilot. Straight ahead, they pull up at 5G and 500 miles an hour. They're going full, ladies and gentlemen, 7,000 feet on comms. The red smoke, they get ready to draw a fabulous heart in the Sunderland skies. The top right, here comes another jet who's red 8 to add a final touch to this. He puts on his red smoke, he gets ready to spear it. This is red 8, Line Lieutenant Ollie Parr. Ollie's a third-year pilot with the team, former Tornado pilot and Hawk instructor. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go, standing out against that fabulous backdrop. Red 6, 7 and 8 with their heart and spear. Threshold. That means they reach the points on the ground, which is the callback for you. Cameras ready for the opposition barrel roll. Now look out to the front left where you'll see ETR being joined by Reds 8 and 9. In fact, Red 8 there still cheered the heart. He's been flying around at 600 miles an hour to catch up with the rest of Edith. Red 1 now pulls up at 400 miles an hour at 4G in Vixen formation. Now he's twisting this loop towards us through 90 degrees in a quarter. Apexing at around 6,000 feet. Get your cameras ready for the good bit. This is the vertical brake. Left and right again now for the synchro pair. Red 6 comes from the left and Red 7 360 degree 6G turns in the carousel. Using the individual smoke colour control buttons on the aircraft's control column.